So with such a quick and small review, I don't have time or the energy to, pull out my microphone and everything. But I bought a Temu fucking spare tire carrier, and the quality is actually pretty fucking good. Imagine that. Hey, the only confusing thing is it doesn't come with any instructions. The spare tire is mounted with bolts and not, what do you want to call it? It's mounted with bolts and not actual lugs. And it took me a little bit to figure out what this spare piece was for. And it turns out it is for this, so that way it doesn't move all over the place while you're driving. I will say, when that's tightened down, and this is back across here. Ooh, Camaro. It will move slightly, but there's actually way more movement front and back. But even if I jank that as hard as I can, it doesn't hit the tailgate, so good purchase. Also, while I'm out here, I should also mention that it does have this stop piece on, so it will not extend past here, at least for now, until I break it, maybe. So the tire won't actually hit the truck. So other than that, it seems to be really good quality. The metal seems to be pretty decent. The welds, for the most part, in most areas are really good too. So I'm not going to put this on permanently throughout the winter because Canada, everything rusts here. Just to be extra safe with it and make sure that it doesn't become a problem, because I do intend to use this for the most part next year on my long trip to Colorado. So there you go, and that's your 5-minute quick fucking Temu spare tire review.